One of the questions, well, one of the things I've been exploring for quite a while is whether or not we can find a decent low voltage motor to run machines and make them more portable, because the majority of them machines run on, domestic voltage, mains voltage, so 110 or 220 depending, and 100 in Japan. But the digital machines run on much lower voltages. So I've taken this out of a Viking machine, but it is Japanese made. In fact, it's a Genome machine that I took this out of somehow. And it runs on 24 volts, really, this motor. It runs quite well at 24 volts. And if you have a 24 volt battery, you can run it at full speed. Now I have this as a 12 volt battery, which I will show you using on another machine, but it works perfectly well at 12 volts, you just don't get the full range of speed. And that's using an attachment which adds extra oomph to it. So it is really possible to, I actually reached out to a manufacturer in China to say, can you produce use one of these and produce a contraption, a motor, which you can just run off of a low voltage. And they said, oh, we don't do those. And I'm like, well, why not? It doesn't make any sense. However, by taking parts out of the machines, and I think you could probably, if you find the number of these motors, I've been trying for a while to figure out how to identify sewing machine motor which will run for a long time. That's why I just pull them out of like embroidery machines or something, because those machines are designed to run long. It's not like other machines which are lower speed. These are designed for running long. But with that battery, it works perfectly fine, so it becomes very portable. And it works perfectly. It's not fastest at this, but if I bought a 24 volt battery pack, you get the full speed, which would be I'm guessing about twice that speed. But it's certainly very possible to convert your vintage machines to lower voltage and have good success with sewing. Normally you'd want the double pulley and higher voltage so you get extra torque from those little motors, which they're more than powerful enough for what I'm doing. But I just wanted to run a test to see how this would work. I don't know how many hours you get out of the battery, but certainly enough probably that you could complete a project, or you just have to get a super one. But at 12 volts you could run it off of a motorcycle battery or a car battery without any problems whatsoever for hours and hours and hours. There's much more juice in those. But from my point of view, this is a great success.